How to find clear all chat settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find clear all chat settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then just click settings, and here you will find this one, chats. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, chat history. Click on it and here we'll find it, clear all chats. Just click on it, and as you see here you can clear all chats and you can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.